Steven cooking dinner. Haha. And let's take a look outside real quick. If you can see, it's really coming down and it's extremely windy. I think this may be a blizzard. I shoveled this today, but it is snowing hard. Easily an inch an hour. Okay, we'll check in a little bit more. But that's what we got so far. Lovely. I'll tell you how bad it is. Dixie went out and pooped an hour earlier. When I went out with Aria, couldn't even see Dixie's poo anymore. It's gone. Buried. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is unbelievable. Look, I shoveled here today. That's me all the way down. We probably got about 6 inches already, maybe more. Here's the grill and the table, and this was not covered earlier, so this is just unbelievable. And all of this where I'm walking now, see, got shoveled this afternoon so the dogs would have a place to walk. But this is like a nor'easter. No, I don't think it's like, and I shoveled these steps. This is just unreal. There's the trees if you can see them, but it's just coming down. It's just unbelievable. I mean, I think they said we're in the 6 to 10 inch band, and the way it's coming down, I think we're going to get at least 10 inches. So anyway, this is what we have right now. There's where I just came through, and it's just a mess. But I love it because I love snow. I love snow. Oh, look at the chair. Cool. Very fun. The dogs will have a good time tomorrow. We'll run and play. And there's Cole saying, "Can I come out?" And there's Dixie saying, "Can I come out?" Don't they look pitiful? Look at that. They love to run in the snow, but not now. It's too dark. Okay, in you go, guys. Come on. In. In. Hi, Miss D. Hi, Miss D. Can you talk? No, you're not going to talk now, huh? And there's Nastar on his bed. He loves his bed. And that's it.